What's up? So welcome to my vlog channel. I'm gonna be just posting on here random shit of my days. I don't really know it. Whenever I feel like it too. Don't expect this week to week. I know you already aren't on my other channel because I am not even doing videos or haven't been. But if you did watch the video on my channel, yes, I did just do that other video right before this one. But yeah, today's my mom's birthday, so I'm gonna go hang out with her, and we're gonna go get some lunch. We're gonna go see a movie. It's gonna be really fun. And then later tonight, me and my friends are gonna be recording Balls Deep, which is my sports podcast. So if you haven't checked that out, you can go to soundcloud.com/ballsdeepsports, which it's also on iTunes too. So I'll put the link in the description for if you want to. If you like sports, you can check that out. We're not the most knowledgeable guys of sports. We're not on ESPN, clearly, but we're just having fun. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. Really nothing else going on. The Rockies made it past the wild card game, so they're going to the playoffs. So that we're officially in Rocktober. So that's exciting. I'm still pissed about the Broncos losing to the Chiefs. Don't know what else to say there. I almost burned my jersey, but it's still intact, don't worry. Our apartment's a mess, if you can't see. It's ridiculous, but not super bad. Like it's bad, but it's not super great, but or whatever. My room, however, is bad. I'm basically in a perpetual state of always doing laundry. So that's actually clean laundry. I don't even really know why I'm recording this. I'm just basically doing it because why not? My roommate's just got a Switch, so we're going to be playing some Mario Kart and some Mario Party once it gets here. I used to be like all Nintendo. That's all I would ever own was I had like a N64, a GameCube, a Wii, and now I have a Wii U. My friends got that for me a while back. Thank you. You know who you are. But yeah, so we're gonna start playing some of that. I like the Switch is cool, but I don't like how fucking small these fucking controllers are. I mean, they're cool. Like I played it last night and it was alright, but I don't know. It's gonna take some getting used to, but it's alright. It'll be cool. Oh god, am I dying? Also, I have been terrible about actually cooking stuff. I've been eating like Chipotle every day, which A is expensive and B really fucking boring. So we've got like chicken now. We've got wow, I can't record like this. We got broccoli. We got chicken. We're gonna be cooking stuff. Oh, and the essential. We also have beer too, of course. It sucks eating out every day because it doesn't make you feel good. Like you spent $10 most likely on food every single day, and it's just like, oh look again, another fucking burrito. Super exciting. Oh, and by the way, like me and my roommates realized that, like, because we have Comcast, we have TV and internet through Comcast, and we realized we don't fucking watch TV. So we're gonna be getting rid of our TV, not the actual TV itself, but the Comcast box. We're gonna be getting rid of that and going to completely internet TV, which we're going with Sling TV. At least I think we are. And I signed up for the free day trial, like 7-day free trial of it. It's actually really cool. You can get Sling on your phone. You can get Sling on your computer, on your Xbox. If you have a PS4, A, why do you have a PS4? And B, that sucks. You can't do it. But it's like $40 a month, but you get 45 of the main channels, not 900 of what you don't watch. Like, I don't care about salsa dancing in Portugal. I'm sorry. Thank you, PBS, but I'm good. Plus, we also have a receiver for our TV, so we can actually have like local channels too. Basically, all we watch on TV is sports. So we watch Broncos and Rockies games and stuff like that. But like, we can get that over the air for free. So why would we not? We're gonna be cutting $100 of our fucking bill every month because Comcast sucks the life out of your paycheck, and we're just gonna have internet, so it'll be super nice. But yeah, definitely check out Sling TV. I've had it before. It's cool. And you can get TV anywhere, so it's kind of not, you don't have to be at home with your Comcast box. Which I know Comcast does the like streaming thing, but it's shitty because like, oh, you can't watch this channel because you're not on your home Wi-Fi. Why the fuck would I watch TV on my phone at home when I can watch it at the fucking TV? That's just stupid. something I will never understand about that. But anyway, definitely check that out if you're paying too much for cable, because we are, and we finally realized. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know having anything that I really specifically wanted to say on this. Is I'm just starting a channel, so there you go. That's it. Tune in if you want to see what I do. I do work 6 days a week, so this is going to be very intermittent. It's not going to be posting videos every Monday. No, don't even think about expecting that, because it's not going to happen. Are we going to the mountains? Are we going to go see some mountains? Huh? There you go, girl.
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, gonna do the fandango.
Very, very frightening.
Galileo, Galileo.
Are you doing it?
No, because you're going to put it on Facebook.
Oh boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family. Easy come, will you let me go? Bismillah, no, we will not let you go.
What?
How was I to post this?
Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me.
Ready?
Ready?
That's all I have, so I'll see you when I see you, right? I just realized I tilt my head a lot. I don't know why I do that. It's like a dog, like treat. I'll see you guys when I see it. Yeah.